To power on your Garmin Instinct 3, press and hold the upper left button. You hold it for 1 or 2 seconds. You should see that logo of Garmin show up quite quickly. As you can see, it was quicker on the solar model instead of the AMOLED. And you just wait a few seconds and the watch will power on. Then, if you want to power off, you're going to press and hold again that button. This will bring you to the controls where you can navigate up with those 2 buttons up to the power off feature like this. Then you can simply select it and it should power off. On the AMOLED display, you have to confirm with a yes. There's also another way to restart the watch, not power off. This actually power off the watch. If you want to reboot the watch because it's frozen somewhere, you can press and hold that button and you keep holding it for a while. You will have this message for calling assistance, but you keep holding it. Just keep hold it until you see that. And then it restarts. We'll go back to the page as when you, the first page, the watch page, the watch face. And yeah, that's a reboot. So you now know how to power on, power off, and reboot. I hope this was helpful.